Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find trending products on Blinkit. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet to find about it. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So there's no actually a trending tab here on Blinkit. All the things that are very popular are just going to be on the home page. If you just scroll down, as you can see, along with their categories, you can also go ahead and choose from categories right over here, or you could also go ahead up here and then choose from the categories right over here. So for example, if you want something from the pan corner, you can click on that. It says you are above legal age, your location is not around school or this premises. So as you can see, when I go ahead and open that, it's just gonna go ahead and show me all the products that are ranked perfectly, so whichever sells, right? There's cigarettes, there's cigars, you know, there's pan masala, there's rolling needs, there's smoking cessations, there's hookah need, right, and a lot of others right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.